Hello. In this video, Catherine is going to share with us what this weekend has meant to her. What happened this weekend? Well, we organized an SCS, which is Neurochange Solutions training, together with one of Dr. Joe Dispenza's top trainers, Daksha Patel. Daksha is the lady in purple in the photograph. Who is this training for? Who is it for? Yeah. What is this training for, and what can we get out of it? I can say that is for everybody who wants to have a better life and master the chatter inside the brain. But I'm going to be quiet and I'm going to let Catherine talk about it.
I'm really grateful to Owen and Anna and Dashka and Paddy for giving us this opportunity to come and share this wonderful material provided by, basically developed by Dr. Joe Dispenza, who's been a really amazing inspiration and has brought huge clarity for my healing and on a day-to-day basis. This weekend, we had the opportunity to share with wonderful people some amazing knowledge and really, a reflection on Dr. Joe Dispenza, how he has brought this material into a form that is easy and simple to understand, and very much that we can take away to our day-to-day. So it's been really, really helpful to just come away with this information and come away with this ability and these tools that we can on a day-to-day just implement and change our life from the day-to-day to actually just looking at it in such an expansive and inspiring way. Just very grateful for the opportunity, and I hope that anybody looking at this that they really take the chance or take the invitation to, if they get it, to come along and do it. Thank you very much.
Beautiful.